Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can send WhatsApp message when particular product is purchased in your WooCommerce account. So let's take an example that you own a e-commerce platform where you are selling your products digitally. Now you want that whenever a customer places a new order in your WooCommerce account for a specific product, automatically an order confirmation message should be sent to the customer on his WhatsApp number. For this we need to create a connection between WooCommerce and WhatsApp. So in order to create a connection we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating WooCommerce with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. Welcome back to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you are going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as WooCommerce to WhatsApp integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to send the WhatsApp messages to our customers whenever a particular product is purchased in our WooCommerce platform. So first we are going to create an integration between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. For that, just open this trigger window and choose the application name as WooCommerce. Select the trigger event as new order created. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So by following these instructions, you can set up the webhook in your WooCommerce account. So let's copy this webhook URL from here and I'll take you to my WordPress dashboard. And here we can find the WooCommerce option. Let's scroll down. Here we can find the WooCommerce. So as it is a plugin of WordPress, if you can't find it over here, you have to just move to the plugins section and you have to install the WooCommerce plugin over here. Okay. So as you can see that it is already installed, I'm just going to access the WooCommerce account. And here we can find the settings option of WooCommerce. Click on settings. And here we have to just switch to advanced tab. So simply click on advanced. And here we can find the webhooks option. Okay, it's getting loaded. Okay. So here we can find the webhooks option. Simply click on webhooks. Now here we are going to create a new webhook. For that, click on this add webhook button. And here we have to give a name to the webhook. So let's give a name as WhatsApp integration. Okay, and here we have to select the status as active. Here we have to select the topic as order created. And here in the delivery URL, we have to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect and simply click on save webhook. Okay, and here we can see that the webhook has been saved. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And now here we can see the response is received and here in the response we have got a webhook ID. It means the webhook is set on our WooCommerce account. Now we have to click on recapture webhook response button. Do you wish to recapture the response? Let's click on yes. And now here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to create a new order in our WooCommerce account on the name of a customer. So let's move to the WooCommerce section. And from here, I'm just going to visit the store. Okay, so all these are the products which are available on my store. Here we are going to buy this core PHP programming. So let's click on add to cart. Okay, and here we can see that core PHP program. Here the quantity is 5, so I'm just going to make it as 1. Let's click on update cart. Okay, and here I'm just going to click on proceed to checkout. Now here I'm logged in from my admin account, so I'm just going to open this particular checkout page in the incognito mode so that we can make the payment. Okay, so here we can find all the details of the customer. First name as Adam, last name as Smith, company name as Pabbly. Here we can find his country as India, the street address. Here we can find the city as Bhopal. Let us select the state also as Madhya Pradesh. Okay, here the PIN is mentioned, and here we have mentioned the phone number as well as the email address. And here we have selected the payment method as cash on delivery, and let's click on place order. Okay, and here we can see that the order has been placed. So now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And within some time, the response will be captured over here. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. And here we have got all the details of the new order captured over here. Okay, we can find the created date and time over here. When we scroll down, we can find the customer name as Adam, last name as Smith, his company name, his address details. Here we can find his email address, the phone number. Okay, and when we scroll down, we can find the payment method as cash on delivery, and even the product details are also captured. So I'm just going to find the product details over here. Okay, so here we can find the line item name as core PHP programming, and here we can find the quantity as 1, and here we can find the amount also. So all the details of the order are captured over here. So now we want that this particular workflow should run only when a specific product is purchased in our WooCommerce account, because the trigger is going to capture the responses of all the orders. But to specify, to make it specific for a particular product, we need to set the filter step over here. Okay, the condition. So come to this action step and choose the application name as filter over here. Now here we have to select the label as line item. So come to WooCommerce and find the line item name. Okay, if the line item name is equal to, and here we are going to specify the name that is for the core PHP programming product only. Okay, so this particular workflow should run if the line item name is equal to core PHP programming. Let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see the response is received, and in the message we have got the condition is true, just because we in the order we have got the product as core PHP programming itself. Okay, so now we want to send a WhatsApp message to our customer. But for that, we need the expected delivery date also, because whenever a product is purchased, in the messages, usually the expected delivery dates are also mentioned. For that, we have to just click on this plus sign add action step. And here we are going to choose the application name as date and time formatter. Here we have to select the action event as modify current date. Click on connect. Now it is connected. Now here we have to select the date format. So I'm going to select the date format as DD, MM and YY over here. Here we have to select the time zone. So as we are in India, I'm selecting it as Kolkata and Asia time zone. Here we have to select the operation as add, unit as days, and here I'm going to give the value as 3 days. So 3 days should be added to the specific date, that is the order date. Okay. So let's click on save and send test request. And here we have got the date as 3rd of May 2022. So let's scroll up. What happened actually, I'll just explain you. Here in the response we have got the date, that is 30th of April 2022. So 3 days are added to this particular date. So after 30th, when we add 3 days, we get the response over here. Okay. So when we add 3 days to 30 of April, it becomes 3rd of May. Okay. So here in the response, we have got the date as 3rd of May. Now using these details, we are going to send a WhatsApp message to the customer. So let's scroll down, come to this plus sign add action step and choose the application name as 360 dialog. Select the action event as send template message. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and the domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account, log into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on Generate API Key button. So I'll take you to my 360 dialog account. So this is the dashboard of 360 dialog account. I have added the link of 360 dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 dialog application and get 360 dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to move to WhatsApp accounts. And here we can find Generate API Key option. So simply click on it, generate the API key, copy that API key and go back to Pabbly Connect and you have to paste it over here. Now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various different connections and workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. Now the domain is required. Enter the domain here which you will get by generating the API key. An example is also given. So I'm just going to copy this example from here and I'll just paste it over here. So whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain by default. In your case, if you get some other domain, please paste that domain over here. After pasting API key and domain, simply click on Save and the connection will get created. As I have already created a connection, I'll just choose this option, that is select existing connection, and I'll click on Save. Okay, now 360 dialog account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select a template. So template is simply a message that you want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As you cannot send messages directly on WhatsApp, first you need to create a template. You have to get it approved from Facebook, and once the template is approved, then only you can use that particular specific template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. So I'll take you to my 360 dialog account once again. And here we can find Manage Templates option. Click on it. And here you can see that I have created several templates and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, come to this plus sign, Add Template. Now here you can give a name to your template. From here you can select the category. As per your requirement, various categories are available. Here you can select the language of your choice. Here you can select the template type. And here you can give the template body text, that is the message that you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Then click on preview and submit. Then it will be going for the approval. And once this template is approved, you can use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll just close this template and I'll open the one which I have already created and got it approved over here. That is order confirmation. Okay, so I'm just going to open this particular template for you. So here we can see the message as order confirmed. Hello, here we want the name of the customer to get displayed. Thank you for shopping with us. Your order of, here we are going to mention the name of the product, is confirmed. We will deliver your package by, here we are going to give the expected delivery date. Once the order is shipped, we will get back to you with the tracking number. Sit back and relax while we have this delivered to you. Happy shopping. And number 4, here you can give your organization name or your business name. So in this way, we have created a message over here. And here you can see that I have given number 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the curly braces. So these are the body fields and the values of these body fields are going to change every time. Okay, so I'll give you an example. Say the name of the customer is Adam. So in this way, the name of the customer is going to change and the values will be changed as per the order and the customer details. So let's select the same template, that is order confirmation template over here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to find the same, that is order confirmation. Now the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to make any changes over here. Now the recipient mobile number is required. Enter the recipient mobile number with country code. So we have already got the customer details from our trigger response, from our WooCommerce trigger response. Okay. So here we are going to find the number. Okay, this was the customer WhatsApp number. So let's map this number in the WhatsApp step over here. Yes, WhatsApp action step. So remember here you have to map the WhatsApp number of the customer. So let's come to WooCommerce and let us map the number. And here we can see that +91, that is the India's country code, is already added to the number. So I'm not going to make any changes. I am not going to add the country code. So if the country code is missing in the WhatsApp number, you have to add it manually. you have to add your country code over here. Okay. Now it is asking for the body field 1, example, the name of the customer. So let us map the name from WooCommerce, and the name was Adam, as well as the last name, that was Smith. Here we have to map body field 2, example t-shirt, that is your product name. So come to WooCommerce once again and let us find the product name, that is core PHP programming. Here we have to give the expected delivery date. In example, DDMMYY is mentioned. So let us map it from date and time formatter because we have modified the date. So 3rd of May will be the expected delivery date. And in the body field 4, we have to give the organization name. So let us give it as Pabbly over here. Okay, and now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means the message is delivered to your customer on his WhatsApp number. Let's check it. Okay, and here we can see a new message. Let's open it. Order confirmed. Hello Adam Smith, thank you for shopping with us. Your order of core PHP programming is confirmed. We will deliver your package by 3rd of May 2022. Once the order is shipped, we will get back to you with the tracking number. Sit back and relax while we have this delivered to you. Happy shopping, Pabbly. So here the things to note are the body fields and their values. So our body field 1 was the name of the customer, which is displayed correctly. Second was the product name, which is mentioned over here. Third we have given was the expected delivery date. Okay, and at last we have given our organization name. So in this way we can see that our correct message is generated and it is delivered to the customer. Okay, and in this way our integration is working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now as we have created an automation between WooCommerce and WhatsApp, next time whenever you are going to receive a new order for the specific product in your WooCommerce account, automatically your customer is going to receive an order confirmation message on his WhatsApp number. So let's check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that we have to move to our WooCommerce store, and I have logged in from the name of some other customer this time, and let's click on this particular product, that is core PHP programming. We are going to click on add to cart. Okay, here we have to select the quantity as 1. Let's click on proceed to checkout. And here we have got the customer details. First name as Kuldeep, last name as Gupta. I'm skipping this company name as it is not required. Country as India. Street address is mentioned. City as Bhopal. State Madhya Pradesh. We have entered the PIN details also. And I'm going to give the same WhatsApp number just to check whether our integration is actually working fine or not. Okay. And here we have given the email address also. And here we have selected the payment method as cash on delivery. And now let's click on place order. Okay, and here we can see, thank you, your order has been received. So the order has been done over here. Now we have to check whether the customer has received any WhatsApp message or not. For that we have to move to our WhatsApp account and we have to just refresh it once. Okay, and here we have got a new message, order confirmed. Hello Kuldeep Gupta, thank you for shopping with us. Your order of core PHP programming is confirmed. We will deliver your package by 3rd of May 2022. Once the order is shipped, we will get back to you with the tracking number. Sit back and relax while we have this delivered to you. Happy shopping, Pabbly. So here we can see that the customer name is Kuldeep Gupta this time. The product name is same. And even we have made the order on the same date. So even the expected delivery date is also same. And here we can see our organization name also. And we have given the same WhatsApp number just for the testing purpose, that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, so I'll just minimize the action steps as well as the trigger window also. So first we have created an integration between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the order and the customer whenever a new order was created in your WooCommerce account. Then we have applied the filter that this particular workflow should run only when a specific product is ordered by the customer. Then we have applied the date and time formatter just because we need the expected delivery date also to be mentioned in the message. And at last, using all these details, we have sent a WhatsApp message to our customer for the order confirmation. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between WooCommerce and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.